how to find search engine settings on a Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to find search engine settings on Samsung internet browser. First then open the browser and now click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings, and then just here you will find it address bar search. Click on it and here you can manage search engine, and you can select any engine you want here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.